Hello students, in today's video we are going to discuss another problem based on shares exchange method. So let us have a look at the problem. A Limited agrees to absorb the business of B Company Limited as on 31 March 2019 and to take over the assets and liabilities at their book values, in exchange for which it issues 10 shares of rupees 15 each for every 8 shares in B Company Limited. Total equity shares of B Limited is 80,000 shares. Calculate purchase consideration. So this is the problem. Okay, now look at the information that is given in the problem. First, when we read the problem, we have to analyze the problem and understand what things are given. Based on that, we should take a decision as to the problem is based on which method of calculation of purchase consideration. Now when you look at this particular problem, you can see here the word exchanged is used. Okay, and a certain ratio type information is given. Okay, so based on this we can conclude that this problem is based on shares exchange method of purchase consideration. Okay, so let us now understand the problem. A Limited agrees to absorb the business of B Company Limited. So A Limited agrees to absorb means it is purchasing the business of B Company Limited. So here A Limited is the purchasing company, or it is also called as transferee company. Business of B Company Limited is purchased. So B Company is the transferor, seller, or the vendor company. Okay, so A Limited is the purchasing company, B Limited is the selling company, and to take over the assets and liabilities at their book values. Now here this statement is not important for us because it is talking about assets and liabilities, but here we are calculating purchase consideration. While we are calculating purchase consideration, we consider only the information which is given regarding the shareholders. Okay, so this statement is not important for us. Now further, in exchange for which it issues 10 shares of rupees 15 each for every 8 shares in B Company Limited. So now A Limited is going to issue 10 shares of rupees 15 each for every 8 share in B Company Limited. So this is the information that is important for us. A Limited is going to issue 10 shares for every share in B Limited. So in the selling company, if you have 8 shares, so in the new company you will get 10 shares. So here the ratio is 8:10. Suppose if you have 8 shares in B Company, you are going to get 10 shares in A Limited. So this is the ratio. This is the very important calculation which you have to understand, and the value of every share is rupees 15 each. Okay, total equity shares of B Limited is 80,000 shares. So B Limited is having 80,000 shares in total. So if you have 8 shares, you will get 10 shares. If you have 80,000 shares, what will be the number of shares? This is the calculation that needs to be done, and you have to calculate purchase consideration. I hope you have understood the problem. Now let us look at the solution of the problem. Okay, so here there are two companies, B Limited and A Limited. B Limited is the selling company, A Limited is the purchasing company. So here A Limited has agreed to issue 10 shares for every 8 shares in B Company Limited. So we can write this information like this. If you have 8 shares in B Limited, you will get 10 shares in A Limited. Okay. what is the actual shares of B Limited? It is 80,000. So in A Limited, what will be the number of shares? To find out that, you need to do cross multiplication. Okay, I hope this ratio is clear. 8 shares in B Limited means 10 shares in A Limited. Here you can see they have given you the actual shares of B Limited, that is 80,000. So we have to calculate what will be the number of shares in A Limited. So we have to cross multiply, that is 80,000 into 10 divided by 8. So you will get the number of shares. Okay, so the number of shares will be 1 lakh shares. You have to multiply with the value of share. Value of share is 15 each. So 1 lakh shares into 15, that will be 15 lakhs. So this is the value of purchase consideration. Very simple calculation. Okay, this calculation is also required when we solve problems on 15 marks. I hope you have understood. With this, I conclude for today. Thank you.